So this is the ANTHBOT Genie3000. Now there's three different models. The 3000 is the larger one. And when I say larger, I mean the actual lawnmowers I believe look the same, but it's just about the battery life. This one has a larger battery, so you get more run time. This one's rated up to 0.89 acres. I think it'll actually cut more than that. It's just that might be how much it's rated for one day. So if you had a larger yard, you had to cut part of it one day, part of the next day. Now it's out here mowing. I've been running this for about 2 weeks, and I don't know if you can see kind of the perfect lines that it makes in the yard from what's been cut over here to what hasn't been cut. A few things I like about this: it has 5 razors on the bottom that cuts. I would recommend, as I'm doing it, cutting the grass every day or every other day. So that's what I've been doing with it on my yard. You can program it, and setup on this one was very, very easy. I simply put the antenna in the ground. It goes back and recharges itself, so when the battery gets low, if it's out here cutting my yard, I've traced out the yard, if the battery gets low, it'll go back and recharge itself and then come back and finish the job after it gets done recharging, which is pretty cool. This one has worked great for me. I found it to be the easiest one I've used to set up. As somebody who's dealt with different robot mowers, I've had virtually no issues with this. Now the construction of it is mostly a plastic body on there, but the app has been very, very easy to set up and use. The antenna, you just set it up and get a green signal. Actually, I'm going to go show the antenna there, but you can see it working, and again, I let the results speak for itself as far as how it performs. Now it's not like super fast and doesn't cut a very wide strip, but you can see it does an excellent job. Let me show you the antenna. So this is a charging base here where it'll come back and recharge itself, and then on the antenna it comes in 2 pieces, so you just simply put that together there, and then you screw this gray part on, and when you get it set up, if you get the green light, that means you have a strong signal, solid green light. Blinking green light means you have a weaker signal. So it connects, a wire simply connects on the back down here where it connects the antenna to the charging station, so that the mower, it knows where the charging station is and comes back and recharges itself when needed. So I can definitely recommend this. I would just encourage whoever, if you try it out, read the reviews, and you want to map out like where that tree is, you want to map out that as a no-go zone. Now it does have cameras on it to see, like if a sports ball was in the yard, it'll stop and go around it. But if you have something that's permanent in your yard, you can just map that as a no-go zone where it'll know not to mow in that area. So I hope this video